Bonjour. Let's practice French alphabets together. Today's lesson is very simple. We are just going to see the French alphabets and after that we'll see their pronunciations. So, there are 26 alphabets in French and 6 vowels. Basically, we have 5 vowels in English like A, E, I, O and U. But in French we have H as a vowel too. So there are basically 6 vowels in French. Répétez après moi. Oh, I just said that in French. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maybe you have read these letters earlier or maybe you have not read them. And those who have not read them might be confusing for them. For example, G and J. In English, we just pronounce them G and J, but in French, we say them J and G. That is totally opposite. There are many alphabets which might be similar as in English alphabets, but there are many alphabets that are a bit confusing to pronounce, like W, which is also known as W, and Y, which is also known as Y. Y. A, ashate, which we say in English to buy. B, bonbon, means it is a candy. A, carrot, means carrot. They don't, dentist. A, the. Fifth, party. J, garage. Ash, year, yesterday. Ide, idea. J, jouer, play. K, car, kit. In English we say it kit. L, livre. Livre means a book. M, mama, mom. N, no. O, object. P, for. Q, line. R, rat. S, suri, mouse. T, telephone. U, unity. W, war, C. Wagon, train card. X, xylophone. Y, yacht, a yacht. Zebra, that is zebra. So this was the first lesson of our French series. So if you want to know more about our French lessons, join our YouTube channel and you can visit our website. And for more and informative knowledge about French, join our Skill Excellent classes.